ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Kunin na natin to kasi parang gusto niya magpakita. The Three of Charisma and the Page of Strength. So parang nagmamasid-masid lang ito, whether in person or it can also be in social media. Pwede nating sabihin na more of baka both, no? Nakikita ka niya in person pero mas more of sabihin natin nag-i-stalk, no, sa social media. Parang marami rin itong parang daydreaming, no? Nagde-daydream ito, kasama ka, kayo na. So, ganun yung intensity, no, ng kanyang emotions or nararamdaman sa'yo. Yung feeling ba niya na siguro baka iniisip niya, no, na kayo na sa isip niya. Hindi naman siya yung nababaliw or what have you, no? Have you been in that situation? Ako, lalo na nung medyo teenager ako, no? Parang nabaliw-baliw ako noon kay Leonardo DiCaprio tsaka kay Brad Renfro. Yeah. Parang iniisip ko, parang although that's impossible, no? Alam ko naman, pero sa isip ko, bakit? Ako naman yun eh, iniisip ko lang naman eh, di ba? Masaya ako dun sa ginagawa ko by that time. Parang ganon, no? Pero ito, may possibility kasi nakikita niya yung tao. Yun kasi Hollywood, Diyos ko na dito. Sino ba naman ako? Para mapansin, di ba? Parang, Diyos ko, 1 in a million. Parang hindi pa yata. Mas ano pa yata, no? Mas may possibility nanalo pa ako sa loto kesa makita, no? Pero why not? Crossing my fingers. Still, hope with a 10 of charisma. Sobra yung gusto niyang ibigay, no? Madami siyang mga plans sa isip niya with the Page of Wisdom and the 10 of the Page of Wisdom and the 10 of Intelligence. Parang nag-aano to eh. Parang nagpa-fluctuate yung kanyang gagawin ko na ba? Parang hindi. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi naman ako sasagutin or parang feeling ko hindi naman ako papansinin, ano? Meron itong ganong thinking. Minsan napanghihinaan siya ng loob, minsan ito namang taong ito is talagang sabihin natin meron talaga namang willingness, no? Either takot siguro yung nararamdaman nito or talagang baka may dinadaga-daga yung kanyang dibdib. Pero kapag nag-kick in naman yung talagang yung willingness niya, hindi ito yung libog ha. Meron itong emotion. Hindi lang ito yung basta, bugso lang ng init ng katawan, no? With the 9 of Strength. The 9 of Strength, it signifies kasi the openness, no? Noon pa nakikita niya yung potential mo na maging jowa niya, pero hindi niya sure kung ikaw ba willing ka maging jowa mo siya. So kaya itong person ito is more of the daydreaming part with the Ace of Charisma and the 8 of Intelligence. Yeah, 8 of Intelligence, matagal niyang kinimkim, tinago itong noon pa niya dapat itong ginawa eh, no? Kasi with the Ace of Charisma, siguro noon nagsisimula-simula pero meron ng willingness eh. Pero ngayon with the 10 of Charisma, parang ang taas na, no? siguro ito yung sinosuppress yung feelings. 'Di ba? Anything na sinosuppress mo, pag na-pressure, 'di ba, biglang sumasabog. So parang ito, this person cannot contain the emotion anymore. So with the Ace of Strength, ayan tayo. So speaking of, since ganun na nga kalalim, sometimes, no, I think that this person also thinking about, intimate moments with you. So, ayan na, may nagpapantasya na sa'yo. This is more of, it's a mixture of emotion and desire, no? So, magkaiba kasi yon. The desire here is nandun na. Parang konti na lang patawid na ito sa obsession. Well, the Eight of Intelligence is also here. So, chances are, medyo noon pa ito talaga, hindi ko pa masasabing super obsessed. Okay, obsessed. Pero hindi naman siya yung nakakatakot na obsessed. Wag lang lalabas dito yung devil card, no? With the Eight of Charisma and the Hierophant. So, nakikita natin dito na either katrabaho mo ito, baka nung una pa lang, meron ng gusto or, nagbibiro-biro. Napapansin mo meron din, lalo na kung katrabaho mo, meron kang special treatment dito. Ace of Charisma, bakit din ito pinag-iisipan? The Hierophant. So, baka naman kasi meron itong, sabihin nating position, no? Kaya siguro nag-iisip-isip, either ikaw ang may position or siya yung may position, no? Para kasing, di ba, unethical, no? Sa ibang company kasi bawal yung gano'n. With the Eight of Wisdom, sinubukan. So, sinubukan nitong person na ito na isuppress talaga yung kanyang emotion or even i-disregard yung kanyang feelings pero hindi kinaya. Now, the Nine of Wisdom and the Six of Charisma. So, parang itong person na ito is crossing their fingers, no? Na sana kapag nag-initiate siya ng move, no, masuklian or merong reciprocate or ma-reciprocate, the Strength card and the Two of Pentacles, ayan na siya. Tama nga. Hindi niya na ma-suppress yung kanyang feelings, kaya itong person na ito is gagawa na ng move anytime soon with the Two of Strength. Parang medyo ipupush niya talaga, no, itong ang kanyang balak na mapasa kanya ka. Ayan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Kung alam mo, no? Pero bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Ayan. At kung kayo merong katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link and you will be routed to my website. Nandun po sa ating website yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, lalabas ang inyong zodiac sign, if not, placement ng iyong chart. I'm seeing Aries, Pisces. Uy, Aries, Pisces. So, nandun, para talaga merong distance, no? Simula at ending. The Six of Charisma. So, Virgo, Leo, Aquarius, Capricorn is here, Taurus is here, Libra, nasabi ko yung Sagittarius, right? So, Taurus nasabi, Taurus dominant, And, Scorpio, no, hindi Scorpio. The Eight of Charisma, yeah, Virgo, nasabi natin. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.